This is my order of a metal banana plug. Now I've noticed that it has 6 pieces on it. It should be 12 pieces because each order should be 4 pieces. Now the seller sent it 6 pieces, so I'm going to open it. See, every pack only has 2 pieces. Should be 4 pieces per pack because I order 3 order. Each order should be 4 pieces. Now seller, check, look at this. It says on your product description should be 4 pieces. Now you just only give 2 pieces on each order. Check properly, check the order properly, please. Thank you.